Hopefully you guys are doing excellent. আপনাদের সবাইকে ওয়ার্ক স্টাইলে আবারও স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি। তো আজকের ভিডিও হচ্ছে আমার 2018 Toyota Camry, সেটা কিছু ডেকোরেটিভ পার্টস আমি eBay থেকে নিয়ে এসেছি, সেগুলো আমি ইনস্টল করব। I got some decorative parts from eBay for my 2018 Toyota Camry, so I'm going to install them. Since I'm doing it, I thought let me just make a video and share with you guys what exactly I'm doing on my Toyota Camry. So there are a lot of parts, and those are obviously decorative, as I say. So you know, it's gonna take some time. Probably I might do it in a couple of videos, probably more. Hopefully you're gonna enjoy it. So video make sure to watch the whole video, and let's start with whatever I'm trying to do. Well, let's go for it. So here I got 2018 Toyota Camry AM style glossy black side mirror cover, and it has as you can see, add-on overlays. So I'm gonna put this on over here. That's how it looks now. So this is before I'm gonna put this. This is the original paint, gray, from factory. So I'm gonna put this on and see how does it look over here. So before that I have to clean this area, and then I'm going to put that on. Now I'm going to let it dry for a little while. Now I'm going to spray some alcohol over here. So if I do some alcohol and then clean it up, so it's going to better for sticking those glue. Also, I'm gonna let it dry. So they gave me the tape, but they didn't really put it on. So the way I did over here, tried to make it as safer as I could. I hope I did it right. So I'm gonna put this on right now. Alright, so here you can see this is the after look. So there we go. This is on the other side, and this is how it's going to look from here, or inside of the car. Well, now I got some trim decorative cover for the door. These are the one actually. I'm gonna put them on. I'm gonna show you where exactly to put these. So they're going to be right over here on both sides. Also one gonna be right here, and another one is going to be right over here. Now I'm going to clean this surface the way I did on the side mirror cover, and then I'm going to spray some alcohol for better sticking for those glues. So let me do that, and then I'm coming back after that. Well, the cleaning part is over. Now I'm going to put those on. This is the before look, and then when I'm going to put those, I'm going to show you how does it look after. Now I'm going to do some measurement and then put these on. I'm going to make sure they're straight. The other one is going to be the same. doing this area. It's almost done. So now I'm going to show you why actually I put all this trim over here. What was the reason? So as I told you before, so I already showed you the before look, and this is going to be the after look. And there is a little plastic over here. So I'm taking this off. Voila! I'm going to take the other part off, and as you can see, now it's glossy. Before it was matte, now it's glossy. So I wanted to make it glossy, that's why I did it. I'm also taking this part off from here. As you can see, before it was pretty much matte, now it became glossy. Well, now I have another decorative parts, which is 2018 Toyota Camry window visor, like rain guard actually. This is a rain guard, and it has also some sort of 3D wave style right here, as you can see. So before I put that on, obviously I have to clean that area, and I'm going to show you where exactly I am putting them on. So this is where I'm going to put that on, and before I put it on, I have to clean that surface, and also I'm going to put some alcohol, so you know this glues sticks better. So this is where it's going to be. This is how it's going to look, and I'm going to set up the other one. So this is going to be it. As you can see, we did this part today, we did this part, and also this one. I really liked it. I hope you guys also enjoyed it. So I'm going to put some more video on 2018 Camry, and I'm going to put some more decorative parts on those video. Make sure you guys watch all the video. You can also search out for 2018 Toyota Camry in my channel's playlist. Well, that's it for today. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Make sure you guys search out the 2018 Toyota Camry playlist in my channel, and you're going to see lots of different decorative, you know, parts that I'm putting in my car. Also, there are other videos in different playlists, so make sure you guys watch all of them. So I hope you liked today's video, and I'm hoping you guys are going to watch the next video as well. So take care, have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.